To our MG Auto Ads channel. Today we are thrilled to represent a brand new video focusing on CNG installation in the Mitsubishi Outlander 2.4 liter. If you are looking to optimize your vehicle's efficiency and performance while reducing emissions, you have come to the right place. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the brand we have chosen for the installation, the major components involved, and most importantly, the mileage you can expect on CNG. For this installation, we have selected the Chennai brand, a global leader in alternate fuel conversion, ensuring top-notch quality and reliability for your vehicle's conversion needs. The major components are double-stage reducer, Phoenix injector rail, KME Nevosky OBD2, Sparktronics direct ignition coil advancer, steel tube, and accessories. Today we are taking a closer look at the Nevosky Jet OBD eSIM set equipped with OSA technology and auxiliary functions for customized activation of Sparktronics ignition coil advancer. But that's not all. We are also exploring the double stage reducer, a game changer that stabilizes the pressure even at high RPMs, even optimal performance every time you hit the road. Let's break it down further. For the reducer, we have seamlessly connected a CNG filter, providing a top-notch filtration for your CNG supply. This filtered gas then passes through the map sensor meticulously, checking both the gas pressure and manifold air pressure for precision control. Now let's talk about the injectors. We have installed a Phoenix injector as recommended by the customer. Has he requested for a high performance injector which is almost 1.9 ohms, outperforming traditional injectors like the Baltic 3 ohms injectors. To ensure a clean and professional installation, we have concealed all wiring with heat resistant conduit piping, guaranteeing not only performance but also durability. So whether you are a tech enthusiast or just someone looking to upgrade their ride, stay tuned as we take you through every detail of these innovative automotive enhancements. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things automotive tech. We have installed 90 liter cylinder with an electronic shut-off valve capable of accommodating a substantial 12 to 14 kilograms of CNG. Safety is our top priority, which is why we have also included an NGV valve equipped with a safety lid for hassle-free CNG filling. Now let's talk about performance. Mileage with an impressive average mileage of 13 to 15 kilometers per kilogram of CNG on city. This vehicle is not only efficient but also cost effective to run. As we wrap up our video, remember that your satisfaction and peace of mind are paramount. If you have any inquiries or questions about this setup or anything else automotive related, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, drive safe, stay tuned for more exciting content. Thank you.